Hello and welcome back. Today we've got a quick tutorial on object locks and Glacier Vault locks. So here they are, and both of these types of locks in AWS are designed to help you protect objects from being modified or deleted for a certain period of time. And this is very useful for specifically regulatory requirements where nobody, once an object or a whole vault is locked, nobody can delete it or edit it, and that's very important, sometimes required. So let's have a look. What do we know, or how do they work? Well, they both follow the worm model, write once, read many. So you can still read objects from these locks, even if but as long as you provide the appropriate permissions. The lock applies for a specified period of time. Once locked, not even the root user can delete, modify, or unlock. And that's very important. That ensures that your partners or regulatory auditors and so on can rely on this feature, that not even the root user was able to change anything inside these files. The object lock, the top one over here, applies to individual objects, whereas the Glacier Vault lock applies to whole vaults. There are more settings, but we don't need to know them for this exam. The use cases are for object lock, it's protecting data and versions and regulatory compliance. And for Glacier Vault lock, it's mostly regulatory compliance. So there we go. That's all we need to know for object and Glacier Vault locks for the exam. I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.